Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix YouTube app won't install on the Android. So if you are trying to install the YouTube application and it will showing this type of the error, so watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, make sure your internet connection is stable and good. Once you will confirm it, now first of all you have to open your settings, and from here you have to search for the apps and the notification, and from here you have to search for the Play Store. Once you will search for the Play Store, you have to click on the storage and the cache. Okay, from here you have to click on the clear cache and the storage. Once you will do it, try to install the YouTube application and it will work. And if it's not, drop a comment. I will search for another way and make a video on it. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.